Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim daily rewards in Grow Garden game app Roblox. So guys, there is a new feature in Grow a Garden. This is the new feature. You can click on this watering can icon and you will see free rewards right here. And for today, the rewards are the watering can, basic sprinkler, godly sprinkler, and also the berry blusher sprinkler. And to claim them, you just need to watch ad. You can click on the watch ad menu right here, and then you will get the first reward. After you claim the first reward, you can move to the next reward by clicking on this arrow icon. And yeah, just like that. And after you claim the previous reward, you can claim the last reward. And I've already claimed them, guys. Wait. Berry blusher sprinkler. This one. Okay, I got this reward. And you can come back after 24 hours and the rewards will be changed every day. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim your daily rewards in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.